As a student registered with the Office of Adaptive Services, you are responsible for requesting new accommodation forms at the beginning of each semester for your professors. The purpose of these forms is to help you notify your professors that you're registered with the Office of Adaptive Services and that you are eligible to receive certain classroom and exam accommodations. One thing that the accommodation form will never do is disclose your specific disability to your professor. Within the first 2 weeks of class, you should go online to complete the request for your accommodation forms, which we'll show you how to do in just a few moments. Once you complete that request, you would need to pick up your forms from Adaptive Services and deliver them to your professors. It's also wise to have a good conversation with your professors at the beginning of the semester about your accommodations to make sure everything is clear. Once you're finished watching this video in Canvas and you're ready to submit your request for accommodation forms, you can go here to the bottom right where it says Next and click on that. And depending on your computer, the request form may automatically pop up in this section here. If it does not, then you can click this link here at the top that says Online Link to Request for Accommodation Forms. And once you do that, you'll see the request form will pop up for you, probably in a separate window. And then you can complete the information as follows. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure you have your course schedule available to you, either open in another window or printed out in front of you, because you're going to need the information about each one of your courses in just a moment. But on this first page, you'll be entering in some pieces of information about yourself. And for your email address, be sure that you use your current FGCU student email account. And then enter in the current semester and year. And then down below you'll see a statement that you will need to read. And then click next to the box to agree. And then add a course. And here's where you're going to begin to enter in your specific course information. So we'll just start with a sample course. The course title, course prefix, the section, and then the CRN. And for professor's name, we recommend putting the professor's first name and last name, but begin with the abbreviation for professor. And be sure to capitalize the first letter of the professor's first name and the first letter of the professor's last name. The way you type out the professor's name is the way it's going to automatically appear on the letters, so you want it to be correct and to appear professional. Once you've entered them in the professor's name, then you can click Class Type, and here you will have to make a choice of either an on-campus course, or if it's online, you'll click Virtual. For virtual courses, the Office of Adaptive Services will actually take the step of providing your accommodation form directly to your professors via email once you've submitted this request. So once you've entered in all this information, then you can click Add New Course. And this will take you back to the student information page, but here below you'll see where the course is listed, the one you just entered. And toward the bottom, click Add a Course again to go on to your second course. And again, be sure to write the professor's name correctly, and then class type, select that. And again, add new course. Now you'll see here below we've got 2 courses listed, the ones that we've entered. We'll stop there for this demonstration, but when entering in your own accommodation request, you would obviously go down here and click Add a Course and repeat this process until all of your courses are entered in. Once you've done that, over to the right, then you can click Submit Accommodation Request, and you'll receive this standard message. And as a reminder, you will want to complete this request and pick up your letters from the Office of Adaptive Services within the first 2 weeks of class and deliver them to your professors as soon as possible after that. If you have any questions, as usual, you can contact the Office of Adaptive Services at 239-590-7956, or you can stop by and visit our office in Howard Hall 137.